Cleaning windows can be a tiring and time-consuming task, but with a window cleaning robot, it becomes effortless and efficient. These smart devices are designed to automatically clean glass surfaces, reaching even high or hard-to-access spots with ease. Equipped with powerful suction, intelligent navigation, and safety features, they not only save time, but also deliver streak-free results. To help you pick the right one, here are the best 5 window cleaning robots that combine performance, convenience, and reliability. Links to all products are mentioned in the description below. Let's get started at number 5, Purerobo W-R3S Window Vacuum Cleaner. Cleaning windows has never been this futuristic and exciting. The Purerobo W-R3S is like having a tiny robot helper that makes glass sparkle effortlessly, turning a dreaded chore into a fascinating experience. Imagine setting it on a window, tapping a few commands in its app or using the remote, and watching it glide across the glass like a mini vacuum-powered artist. No more climbing ladders, no more smudges from scrubbing. The robot takes care of everything with precision and intelligence, making your home shine with minimal effort. What's truly thrilling about the WR3S is how versatile it is. It handles both wet and dry cleaning, meaning it can spray water or cleaning solution and then suction it up, leaving the surface streak-free. With dual suction power reaching 5,600 pascals, even tough grime and fingerprints are no match for it. For smaller tasks, single suction at 2,800 pascals works perfectly, offering efficiency without using unnecessary power. And the smart water spray system ensures that your windows receive just the right amount of moisture to clean thoroughly without dripping everywhere, which is a lifesaver for indoor window cleaning. The convenience factor is off the charts. A 4.5-meter cord ensures it can reach even high or wide windows, while the backup 24-volt battery allows for an additional 20 to 25 minutes of operation in case of power interruptions. It charges fully in just 2 hours, making it ready for quick jobs or large-scale cleaning sessions. The noise level of 75 decibels is surprisingly low for such a powerful device, so you can even run it while at home without being overwhelmed by sound. Design and durability make it even more impressive. Crafted from ABS material, it feels sturdy and reliable, built to last through repeated use. Its compact dimensions of 294 by 148 by 117 millimeters mean it can fit onto most window sizes and reach corners that are difficult for humans to access. Operating the robot is easy through a user-friendly app or a simple remote, so you can monitor progress, adjust settings, and control its movement without lifting a finger. It's perfect for homeowners who want spotless glass without the physical strain. Pros: powerful suction, smart control, wet and dry, compact design. Cons: needs power, stubborn dirt. Number 4. Liectroux YW509 Window Vacuum Cleaner. This isn't just a window vacuum. It's a smart, gliding robot that turns the chore of cleaning glass into something almost mesmerizing. Picture it moving across your windows, spraying water in 4 directions and leaving streak-free surfaces in its wake. The 4-way water spray system is incredible, covering left, right, and down simultaneously, which means every inch of your glass gets a thorough wash without you lifting a finger. It's the kind of precision and efficiency that makes you wonder how you ever cleaned windows manually before. What really excites me is the laser sensor navigation. The YW509 doesn't just randomly move around. It scans the environment, detects obstacles, and plans an intelligent route to make sure no spot is missed. It can reach those tricky corners and edges that normally frustrate anyone doing a manual clean, especially on frameless glass. The anti-slip driving wheels ensure it moves steadily across surfaces, so even on tall windows or smooth walls, it maintains perfect balance. It's like having a tiny, dedicated cleaning professional who never gets tired or distracted. The large-capacity water tanks make it even more practical. With a 3-directional 4-way atomized spray and dual nozzles on each side, it keeps water flowing evenly without clogs, giving your windows a spotless finish every time. Whether it's for home, office, or glass doors, the YW509 adapts beautifully to different surfaces and cleaning challenges. The combination of atomized spray, powerful suction, and intelligent navigation ensures a cleaning experience that's thorough and efficient, while remaining completely hands-free. Using it is a joy because you can simply set it on the window, start it via remote or app, and watch it glide confidently across the surface. No ladders, no scrubbing, no streaks. It's almost magical. Its design also emphasizes stability, so you don't need to worry about it slipping or falling during operation, and its versatility makes it ideal for a wide range of glass types. Pros: smart navigation, four-way spray, frameless glass, stable wheels. Cons: power needed, tough spots. Number 3. Abir WD8 Window Vacuum Cleaner. This isn't just a gadget. It's a full-fledged robot designed to take the stress out of window cleaning and transform it into something almost mesmerizing to watch. Equipped with dual ultrasonic spray nozzles, it atomizes water in 3 directions, softening and lifting stubborn stains without you having to touch a single cloth. Imagine your windows, mirrors, tiles, and smooth surfaces getting a deep, streak-free clean while you relax. Sounds like magic, right? The intelligence behind this robot is incredible. With the SLAM 4.0 system, it plans cleaning routes in real time, adjusting in 0.3 seconds to avoid edges and obstacles. It even remembers where it started, so it returns to its starting point when finished. This smart memory function ensures nothing gets missed and makes it easy to retrieve the robot when the job is done. Whether you want to clean an entire window or focus on a particularly dirty spot, the fixed-point cleaning mode simulates manual wiping, going back and forth repeatedly to ensure a flawless finish. Power and efficiency come together beautifully with the WD8. Its German brushless motor ensures long-lasting performance and quiet operation, while the 3,000 Pascal suction provides strong absorption to hold it firmly on the glass. It makes removing tough grime easy and stabilizes the robot during vertical cleaning. The high-quality microfiber cleaning pad is reusable, machine washable, and designed to lock in water for optimal cleaning. 4 intelligent cleaning modes, including Z-Route, N-Route, N+Z route, and fixed-point cleaning, allow you to customize the cleaning process depending on the surface and level of dirt. Safety and convenience are also at the forefront. An upgraded laser sensor detects edges and prevents falls from unframed glass, while the 4-meter safety rope and 650 mAh backup battery provide protection during power interruptions. Even in outdoor conditions, the robot can handle up to 7 kilograms of vertical load, keeping it stable and reliable. It's ultra-thin, with a 62mm body that can reach corners effortlessly, and the square design allows it to clean edges thoroughly. Control is effortless too. You can operate the robot via Tuya Smart or Smart Life apps, Bluetooth, or the included remote control. Voice prompts guide you through operations, making even complex tasks simple and intuitive. It's ideal for households, offices, or any space with smooth surfaces like mirrors, marble worktops, tiles, or wooden doors, saving time, effort, and stress. Pros: intelligent navigation, powerful suction, dual spray, smart memory. Cons: maintenance needed, power required. Number 2. Liectroux S9 Window Vacuum Cleaner. It's a powerhouse engineered to handle tough tasks with precision and intelligence. The first thing that grabs your attention is the 9,000 Pascal super strong suction power, which keeps the robot firmly adhered to the glass while effortlessly lifting dirt and grime. With dual roller brushes and a high-density fiber mop, it scrubs deeply without scratching, making every window, mirror, or smooth surface look flawless. The S9 takes smart cleaning to a whole new level. It automatically adjusts suction based on the type of glass, while its gyroscope navigation guides it in both Z and N-shaped cleaning patterns. Edge detection is precise thanks to 8 micro-switches in the corners, ensuring the robot never slips or misses tricky areas. And in case of an unexpected power cut, the built-in backup battery keeps it stuck to the glass for up to 30 minutes, giving you peace of mind that your investment is safe. The long safety rope adds another layer of protection, keeping the robot from falling even in critical situations. Water spray technology is where the Liectroux S9 really shines. Its 4-directional, 6-way water pump system sprays through 3 nozzles on each side, effectively cleaning multiple surfaces while resisting clogs. This ensures even coverage and thorough cleaning across windows of all sizes. The separate air duct prolongs the robot's lifespan, and the integrated power cord and safety rope prevent tangling, which makes operation smoother and hassle-free. Every feature is built to make cleaning intuitive, efficient, and almost effortless. Control options make it incredibly flexible. You can use the 2.4 GHz remote, which works up to 20 meters without worrying about direction, or connect it to Tuya or Smart Life apps for app-based operation. This means you can manage cleaning even from a distance, making it ideal for high or hard-to-reach windows. The robot handles frameless glass with ease, thanks to its intelligent sensors that detect borders and adjust direction automatically. Pros: strong suction, intelligent navigation, dual brushes, app control. Cons: power needed. Number 1, and the winner is Hobot 2's Window Vacuum Cleaner. Oh my gosh, the Hobot 2's Window Vacuum Cleaner is like having a mini robot butler dedicated entirely to making your glass surfaces shine. The moment you set it on a window, mirror, or tile, it immediately starts moving intelligently, tackling dirt and smudges that are normally frustrating and time-consuming to clean. Its square design lets it reach corners effectively, while the high-quality cleaning pad ensures even coverage, leaving a spotless, streak-free surface behind. It's like magic, watching it glide across glass without you lifting a finger. What's thrilling is how powerful yet quiet it is. With maximum suction of 6.5 kilograms, the Hobot 2's adheres firmly to vertical surfaces, cleaning efficiently without any risk of slipping. Despite its strength, the noise level stays low at just 63 decibels, so you can run it while enjoying your music, conversation, or even during work. Its 52-milliliter water tank sprays just enough to soften dirt without dripping, combining with the suction to lift stains quickly and effectively. For small to medium surfaces ranging from 1 to 6 square meters, it handles the job effortlessly, making home maintenance so much easier and faster. Control and convenience are part of the excitement, too. The robot comes with a remote control that allows you to direct it as needed, giving you flexibility and precision when cleaning tricky areas. The 6-meter cord ensures it can reach high or wide windows without restriction, making it practical for multi-story homes or large glass panels. Its compact height of 8.6 centimeters allows it to fit snugly into narrow corners or tight spaces, ensuring thorough coverage wherever it moves. Being plug-in powered means it never runs out of battery mid-clean, and the lightweight 1.3 kilogram design makes it easy to set up and remove. Whether you're cleaning mirrors, curtain walls, tiles, or glass windows, it feels like a professional-grade assistant in your home, combining efficiency, precision, and safety. It's almost mesmerizing to watch it work, quietly and steadily delivering perfect results with minimal effort on your part. Pros: strong suction, quiet operation, remote control, compact design. Cons: small area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tech reviews and updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.